Our coastlines are under threat. Erosion has many impacts and it is very detrimental all over the world. Many coastal areas are main locations for tourism and recreation, which is a great contributor to local and national economies. Coastal erosion affects countries all over the world, with severe examples in the US, Spain, and the UK. The UK in specific has many coastlines which are eroding, with some of them being the fastest in Europe. The annual damage from these damages are estimated to be over 500 million. The Committee on Climate Change has estimated that 100,000 properties in England by 2080 could be at risk. By 2050, 1 million properties are projected to be in danger of flooding. Infrastructures such as roads, railways and ports are at risk from erosion and flooding as well.
Is eroding the sand and the rocks away, and this is happening in our land. As you can see, here's an example of coastal erosion. As you can see, the rocks and sand are being eroded into the sea. And it's happening here in our land. Over here is an example of a typical barrier. But there are certain limitations here, as it's not very high. So if the sea level rises above the barrier, it would need to be reconstructed. Here's where our product would have the advantage. Our product is easily adaptable and would fit in most coastlines.
This is our product. This is Coastguardia, the revolutionary solution to protect and revitalise our shores. It is a barrier which is adaptable to sea levels of any kind, and it has built-in sea activities along with it as well. Made with eco-friendly materials, Coastguardia is proven to reduce erosion by more than 90%, whereas normal barriers usually range from 40 to 80%, safeguarding coastlines for generations to come. Coastguardia also enhances coastal entertainment with opportunities such as surfing, fishing and diving created. Other than the benefits it provides to the environment, Coastguardia benefits the local communities and governments too, keeping them safe whilst empowering local companies and stakeholders as well. With how adaptable Coastguardia is, it is scalable for any coastline, combining protection, recreation and opportunity into one efficient solution. The tidal wave generator is also guaranteed to generate clean and constant waves.
Our Coastguardia will provide safety for the local community around it and definitely help saving costs for the government by the protection of erosion and avoiding damage of the properties. And we also have the potential of other renewable technology business to be created in the area, such as an offshore wind farm. All the surplus energy from the renewable technology can be transferred to the local electricity grid and provide a more affordable, sustainable option of electricity. There are lots of potential of collaboration between us, such as the hotel, cafe and shops. If you invest in us, we can bring out the best in each other. With our solution, we not only protect our coasts from erosion, but also transfer them into hubs for recreation and opportunities. By keeping communities safe, we are opening new doors to new opportunity and fostering economic growth. Together, we can create a future where our coast will flourish for many years to come.
Here is our contact information. Please contact us if you would like to get in touch.